welcome back. So now I'm just recording a very short video about SemiBin because we've just released version 2.2.0. So this is a maintenance release, so we have a lot of very small new features, a few bug fixes. Most of them are just making it more robust, giving you better error messages. Sometimes we all do. If you've watched the extremely open science streams, I do all of these sorts of mistakes, and it's great when the tools can provide you with helpful feedback rather than some random error on line 317 of some internal file. Right? So let me just show you real quick. Also, just how you can install using pixi. So we're gonna just create an empty directory, so it's completely empty. We're going to run pixi init to create this pixi.2ml file. So the one thing here that we do need to remember is to add the bioconda channel. So pixi is another interface to the conda ecosystem. So it's a replacement for the conda tool, but it uses the same packages. So it doesn't completely replace the ecosystem. So we need to add the conda tool, and now we add SemiBin. There it is. And if you're doing this today, 21st of March 2025, so it's the equinox, autumn here in the southern hemisphere, spring up in the north. So if you're doing this today, you're going to see that it's version 2.2.0. If you're watching this maybe later, maybe we even have a newer version that's even better, but this is what we have now. And now I can do pixi install. This might take a little bit longer if this is the first time you're doing it, because pixi will download everything. But once it has, then we can just run a shell, get a shell with the new SemiBin 2, and there it is. This is the new version. Just to check, that's -v, and just to check again, check install. It's going to check that everything works, finds all of its dependencies. There it is, finds that dependency. It also now prints a little bit more information. So for example, it prints that CUDA is not available. I'm running this on my laptop. I actually don't have a big GPU here. So you can see a couple of minor changes. Again, mostly the tool is just more robust, more polished, better messages, better docs. One big change is we no longer ship the SemiBin script, so you have to explicitly call SemiBin 2, which is what we really recommend. Or if you have a very old, for some reason you still have some script from back in the olden days, 2022, we still do provide this SemiBin 1, but we will stop doing this at some point. And right now we also have it just as an incentive system. It sort of waits for 10 seconds before so that if you have a script that really has been working for you, right, okay, that will keep working, but otherwise please do upgrade. Right, so the release was, the code's on GitHub. Obviously the release made it to conda, as you just saw. If you have any issues, open an issue on GitHub. If it's more like a bug report, if you just want to ask for help or discuss some more vague concern, that's not really a bug report, and we ask that you then use the mailing list. So all of the links are below. So is this this little code to install it with pixi. So yeah, please have fun with SemiBin. Get in touch if you have any problems, and otherwise talk to you soon.